In this AI CoursePal review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to create Udemy-like e-learning platforms using the power of AI in 60 seconds. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you are new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out AI CoursePal, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, want to grab your share from the huge $400 billion e-learning industry. Revolutionary Google Bard powered app creates your first profitable Udemy style e-learning platform loaded with red hot AI generated courses in under 60 seconds with no prior tech hassles, making us $534 a day without doing extra work. So here's the thing. So this might be able to create these type of like sites here, but I always get really skeptical when I see claims like this. Like they say it's making them $534 a day. They might be making money selling courses of their own, and that's fine, but I seriously doubt that this software right here is making them $534 a day. So I could be wrong, but I doubt that I'm wrong. It says here, log in, create, and then publish and profit. I mean, that's not going to happen. It's not that easy. You can use this to create sites. You can use this to create like an e-learning site and use AI to help create your courses and stuff. But don't think that you're magically going to start making money from this. It's not going to happen. Then they show these screenshots. AI CoursePal helps us to make insane commissions like this. Like maybe they're using some of the technology to host some of their courses, and that's fine, but I just don't want you to think that you're going to magically start making that money. Now they show other people that are doing e-learning and making money. Okay, that's great. And showing like case studies of people that are doing it and making money online. That's fine. I'm okay with that. You're not saying that it's directly from the software. That's fine. But again, I just don't want you to think that you're magically going to start making this. Now you can go out there and make these kind of sites for people. Like this one person right here says, I will create a website like Udemy and give you 500 plus courses, and they're charging $500 for it. So you could do something like that. Now this one right here, I will build an e-learning course platform for you, and they're charging $255 to do it. So you could use it to do something like that. I like that idea. Here's another person. I will create an e-learning website like Udemy, $180. That's cool. And again, another person doing it. So it's something that looks like people want, but just be aware that you're going to have to go in there and compete with those people as well when you want to sell this. So just be aware of that. If we scroll down here, again, those screenshots, they kind of bug me, but whatever. If you do purchase, you get access to the software, and it's a one-time fee. Try moving your mouse away on the sales page. I think a discount should pop up there. I make less as an affiliate by pointing that out to you, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll come back, show you the backend area and the upgrades and discounts.
Do you know the e-learning industry is currently valued at over $400 billion and is expected to cross $1 trillion by 2032? So if you're willing to use artificial intelligence to create and sell countless courses that convert visitors into customers with no tech skills or a huge investment, without creating a single course yourself, without hiring expensive freelancers, without being on camera, or without wasting time on research and without doing any grunt work yourself, then please stay tuned to this short and very informative video. But before moving forward, check out these mind-blowing numbers that highlight the growing worth of e-learning industry. 90% corporations now use e-learning compared to just 24% in early 2000s. Employees deliver $30 of increased productivity for every $1 invested in e-learning. E-learning takes 40% to 60% less employee time than traditional learning. The Global Learning Management System, LMS, market will cross $29 billion by 2026 with annual growth of 19.1%. 59% US market share comes from content-related e-learning products. 42% companies got higher revenue after implementing e-learning. So, if you too are looking to tap into this huge opportunity and grab your share from the widely untapped e-learning industry, I've got some great news for you today. Presenting AI CoursePal, revolutionary Google Bard-powered app creates your first profitable Udemy-like e-learning platform loaded with red-hot AI-generated courses in under 60 seconds, with no prior tech hassles. You are just 3 easy steps away to launch your own Udemy-like e-learning site. Number 1, log into AI CoursePal. Number 2, create, upload, and sell online courses. Number 3, publish and profit. Here are some of its amazing features. Brand new Google Bard powered technology to create your first Udemy-style e-learning course selling platform. Use AI to create and sell red-hot courses globally to a hungry audience in under 60 seconds. Tap into the huge $400 billion e-learning industry without any grunt work at your end. Convert your knowledge into profitable business opportunity without spending a fortune. Stop wasting valuable traffic, leads, and profits to expensive third-party platforms. Collect payments globally using inbuilt payment integration system. Give a personalized learning experience to convert random visitors into lifetime hungry buyers. Use multi-language support to convert your courses into world's most spoken languages in 3 clicks. Kick out expensive and money-sucking third-party course creation platforms forever. Drive tons of traffic to your e-learning sites instantly without spending a penny on paid ads. Create multiple passive income streams for a low one-time fee. Smartly create high-converting courses for any offer in any niche in literally no time, and tons of other benefits when you grab your copy today. And I haven't mentioned the coolest part. Only for the early action takers, we're offering a limited time commercial license to provide high in-demand, AI-based courses creation services to tons of hungry customers and keep 100% of the profits yourself. AI CoursePal makes it possible for you to drive the targeted traffic to your courses from across the globe to your courses without paying for expensive third parties, purchasing multiple products that don't deliver, waste money on self-proclaimed marketing gurus, working hard for no results, worrying about financial security. But hurry, don't let this massive opportunity of releasing all your dreams slip away through the cracks. Please don't go back to wasting money and time and tools that simply don't work, as your purchase is covered by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. There's nothing to worry about at your end. The only thing is to go ahead and take action, as we're giving tons of bonuses only if you grab your copy today. But hurry, once this special time period's over, AI CoursePal will be available for a premium monthly fee only. So stop thinking and grab AI CoursePal today at the lowest price offer. This one-time offer will never be available again. Good luck, and we'll see you on the inside.
Okay, so we are back. This is the backend area that you'll have access to after you purchase, where you can have full control of your websites. There are multiple upgrades. First one is that you can remove the AI CoursePal branding from your site. So if you don't want their branding on it, you can remove it. Host your own online courses on a custom domain. So if you want to use your own domain, you can as well. Plus all these extra features here. But if you want to move your mouse away, you can get a discount on this. Again, I make less as an affiliate by showing you that. So please hit that like button. It really does help. Next one, unlock unlimited AI CoursePal accounts. So you can get even more accounts here with this. If you want to do that, move your mouse away and get a $30 discount. Get another one here where they'll set it up for you. Move your mouse away and get a $100 discount. Got another one here, create your own online video courses. Move your mouse away and get a $3 discount. Then they've got one here, it looks like traffic. Move your mouse away and get a $10 discount. Another one here where you can actually resell it to people. You can get a $100 discount if you move your mouse away. And then there's a resell license. Of course, move your mouse away and a white label. Move your mouse away, get a discount. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about AI CoursePal and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, making you guys think that you're going to magically start making hundreds of dollars a day when you use a software like this is not nice. I don't think it's good to put that kind of an expectation on you. So just know that this is a software that creates Udemy-like sites. It's not some magic button. What do I like about it? It's very, very reasonably priced. If you're looking for something that can create Udemy sites, if you want to maybe go out there and sell these on somewhere like Fiverr, it could be an option for you. If that's something you're looking to do, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my AI CoursePal review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.